Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I was with some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. They are playing well. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Don't move, be seated. Yes, they're playing well. They're playing well. Some colorful fish are playing well. They are interesting. This is so much interesting. These players are playing. Beautiful place, beautiful place. Playing well. This is interesting video. Wow, looking good, marvelous. They are playing well. They are playing well. I hope you enjoy these videos. Wow, mashallah, mashallah. Some colorful fish are playing well here. I want to watch you. This one. Oh, this is looking good. Playing well, mashallah, mashallah. Here are some colorful fish. Wow, they're playing well. I want to watch you. This one, looking good, playing well. Wow, mashallah, mashallah. Very nice, very nice. This is interesting, so much interesting. Wow, looking good, playing well. Beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, so is it, please subscribe my channel and comment box in comment your valuable comments. Mashallah, mashallah. Wow, wow, looking good, playing well. They're playing spontaneously. Wow, wow, beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery, looking good. This is interesting place, interesting video. I hope you love this video. So as this video. Wow, wow, very nice, very nice. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful scenery. Wow, playing well. They're playing well. Beautiful moment, beautiful moment. Looking good, playing well. There it's, oh, this is very nice. Fish are playing well, playing well. Wow, wow, playing. They're playing here. Beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoy this video. Not more today. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.